What's up guys? Today's video is on the Apple iPhone FineWoven Wallet with MagSafe. Through extensive research and testing I put this, which will meet the needs of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included link in the description box down below which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Apple iPhone FineWoven Wallet with MagSafe, a stylish essential. In the realm of mobile accessories, the Apple iPhone FineWoven Wallet with MagSafe stands out as a seamless blend of style and functionality. Color variety: choose from a palette of sophisticated hues: black, evergreen, mulberry, Pacific blue, or taupe, each priced uniquely to match your personal style. Design and craftsmanship: crafted with both aesthetics and usability in mind, the FineWoven Wallet is made from durable microtwill material, boasting a soft suede-like feel. What sets it apart is not just its sleek appearance but its commitment to environmental responsibility, being composed of 68% post-consumer recycled content. This eco-friendly choice significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to traditional leather. MagSafe convenience: equipped with robust built-in magnets, the wallet effortlessly attaches to the back of your iPhone. This MagSafe feature not only ensures a secure fit but also supports stacking on top of a MagSafe case, allowing you to curate a unique and personalized look. Functionality and security of the FineWoven Wallet is not just about style, it's designed for practical use. Supporting up to 3 cards, it efficiently consolidates your essentials. Furthermore, it shields your credit cards, ensuring their safety. Additionally, the wallet supports Find My, providing peace of mind by notifying you of its last known location if separated from your phone. Compatibility: designed to fit a range of iPhone models from the iPhone 12 series to the latest iPhone 15 series, this wallet is a versatile companion for various Apple devices. In summary, the Apple iPhone FineWoven Wallet with MagSafe transcends the ordinary, offering a perfect balance of fashion-forward design, environmental consciousness, and everyday usability, all at a discounted price for a limited time. Elevate your iPhone experience with this essential accessory. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.